Hello and welcome. I'm John McNicoll. We're here at Acclaimed, and we're going to hear from Tami and Keven Lackey in regards to their company, Acclaimed. So maybe we could begin with the history of the company.
Yeah, great. Thanks, John. The history of the company goes back 23 years.
Oh, long time.
It's a really long time. And in
It's
some
hard
ways...
to imagine since we look 23 years old.
Very nice. Actually, that's about right, actually. 23 years old, and we were about that age when we actually started the company.
Pretty much.
So it actually does go back a long time. And in that time, there's all sorts of stuff that's happened. In some ways, it's like flash in the pan. In some ways, it seems like 50 years sometimes. Until I look at you, then it's like, no, not 50 years.
Yeah.
But
Good
it goes,
save. Good
yeah,
save.
Yeah,
Thank
absolutely.
you. Thank you. So back in 1995, we started Acclaimed. And I'd come from the industry, and we thought, we can do a really good job of this. Both of us come from kind of a customer service-oriented background. And so that's how we started, thinking that this would be a great business opportunity where we could help people and really make a difference. And I really enjoyed what I did. So that's how it started.
Well, it takes a lot of courage to start a new business. I think that's amazing. How did you choose the name?
Well, we were back in the day, you had to be in the yellow pages to get found. And so it was advantageous to have an A name or early on in the alphabet. And Kevin's father, John, helped us source out names that were powerful and strong and meant good customer service and resonated greatness. And so Acclaimed came up, and then he also suggested we put an exclamation on it to pound that we were acclaimed.
Very strong. It's great.
Yeah.
And what kind of services do you offer? Like if people want to understand your company and what's available, how would you define that?
That's a great question. I can define that by everything in your own home that keeps you warm, comfortable, and cozy, which is everything in your mechanical room, that dreaded mechanical room. Furnaces, water tanks, air filtration, humidifiers, air conditioning. So everything that makes you comfortable and really, really cozy in your home is the type of service we do. And we do that by doing duct cleaning, furnace and air conditioning installations, and any type of servicing of those products.
Cool.
What do you think? Is that a good synopsis?
Yeah, that's a very good synopsis of it.
Well, congratulations on all your success and happy birthday on 23 years.
Thanks, John.
Thanks,
Thank
John.
you very much.